What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We are out here. Actually, Mitchell and I are going to be fishing at a little lake that's proven to catch some that are big uns living here. We did the 10 pounds 2 cast video. I'll leave it up here in the corner if you want to go and check that out. But we did that video here. We know there's big uns, so actually right here's Mitchell. He's going to be coming. So you know there's big uns in here, so I guess stay tuned for the video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we're gonna get on out there. Look at this guy. That was Mitchell right there. He's going to turn around. So we're gonna go ahead, throw the boat in this little lake, and kind of hopefully get on some big uns. So stay tuned. We're gonna be throwing just everything really at them. I have chatterbait, shaky head, and a jig tied on, so gonna start out a little bit with a moving bait and then kind of slow it down from there. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully we can get on some big uns.
So if we don't catch one back in here, then we're not shallow.
Yeah. This just looks like the juice money.
We're never really able to fish this because it's so thick with lily pad.
And I mean, it's probably what, like right here, it's probably
2.5 feet.
Yeah.
Put your rod tip down, huh?
I bet it's deeper than that, even, to be honest. I mean, half the rod. This is a 7.3 rod, so.
I think a snag and then.
Because I seen the clip of him yanking, and dude, he was like ripping on it.
If he would
Like,
have fished right away, he would have known.
yeah.
Maybe if it was like a 13 pounder, he would have known, but a 4.5, it definitely just ate it off. Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah. Cheese and rice.
That's like the size of the first one you had.
Look how he ate that, though.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good for a little fish. Little flare fish.
Way up shallow, so would.
Bigger ones would be. Why do I feel like it warmed up? That's a fish. Not bad. Doesn't feel bad. No, it's just a little guy. Dude, they're fighting like no other, I know that.
2 pounder.
Yeah.
You got that on camera? You
Yeah.
want to net it or?
I can flip it.
No.
Yeah.
Was that off that sprinkler?
Yeah.
We're using the exact same color too.
Yeah. This color just slaps here, dude. Little 2 pounder. Just a little guy. Chunky one, I know that. Whoop. A little deadly.
Deadly. Serious right there.
Yeah.
Good or no?
No. I don't think so. It's kind of turning the boat a little weird though, eh? No.
Man, they're wanting the chatterbait, that's for sure.
Yeah. Oh, come here, dude. They're digging it, I know that.
Hey, could you imagine
Look how he
catching
ate
a
that.
muskie in this boat?
You know they're wanting it when they eat it like that.
Could you imagine catching a muskie in this boat? Especially if I'm by myself, dude.
Like if a little fish like this turns it, dude.
Screwed if I hook one by myself, try to net it and everything.
Little Jimmy there. Ooh, okay, so.
Yeah, that's probably 3 pounds.
Look at that.
2.5, 3.
Look how he ate that,
You
guys.
want my scale or you want yours?
I can probably get mine. Choked it. If yours is right there, I'll literally choked it. Yeah, that guy wasn't coming off. It's long but skinny.
Yeah.
Oh, it's only 280.
Yeah. if it was filled out, it'd probably be 3.5.
Yeah.
Probably like 18 inches. 17.
You just hold this to turn it off?
Now tap it. Now it's probably on ounces.
It was on 60 degrees, it said.
Now it's on temperature.
Just caught that, little 280. Not too bad. Yeah, super skinny. Like, look at that. It's like super thin, but not a bad one. Get the release on him. There he goes. Do you still have those really old baits or whatever that have Roland Martin?
Yeah.
Do you?
I want to get them signed if I ever get them.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
That's funny.
Oh,
Greg's like,
there's one.
feel good or not?
Yeah. Maybe not.
Turning the bow, but who knows?
Oh, it's not a bad one. Yeah. No, I don't need the net. Flip them. Yeah. Get up in here. Just popped out.
On a chatterbait.
Another one. Boom. Little guy. There she goes. I don't really know. I know there's a season on them, but
If I went to that Cedar Lake and caught them on.
yeah. And I mean, walleye's good eating if you get them in like lakes and stuff. But I mean, even Detroit River walleye aren't bad. But
that Frank's Red Hot, dude, that'd make a dog food.
There's another one.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to switch to the chatterbait, dude.
Oh, pike. Hey, as we're talking about it.
I don't even know if that would have been a keeper pike.
No. Hey, we're just talking about it too. I got it, thank you. Let's get this guy unhooked here. Got hit by something, look at the top of his head.
By a bird when he was
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Quick release.
Peter and Long, and then Wednesday I might go to the river, unless I can't go Tuesday. Then I'll just go to Long on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Cause I think, I don't know, if I threw a chatterbait at the river, I can catch a big smallmouth or a largemouth.
Yeah.
Cause I know big smallmouth will eat chatterbait.
Oh yeah.
A matter of finding them. If they could eat that trench hog, dude, they'll eat anything. Is that a fish?
I think so. I was just sitting there with it.
Big?
I don't know. No.
One of the smaller ones.
Yeah. Whoops, sorry guy.
You get that on video?
Yep.
What?
Yep. Got a little bit of salad in there mixed in with your chatterbait. Just a little guy. Jeez, he's feisty, I know that.
Got one?
I don't know.
You set the hook on that thing like. Is that a different hook out here? Or did they pick people up off the shore?
Looks like they pick people up. Yeah.
I don't hear ripping.
There's a fish. I don't really know. It's gonna jump.
There's no way that's the same boat. But that one's skinny too.
Yeah.
There's no way that's the same boat. I'm gonna get 2 more people.
Another little guy.
Oh, I got one.
Really? Bigger?
Oh, maybe I did.
Doubled up?
I swear that was a fish.
Mouth full of grass right there. There it goes.
I think that.
Cheese and rice. That's great for the audio.
What the dog?
Got one? Better?
I think so. Come on. Oh, that might not. Yeah, it's not huge, but.
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Ew. Maybe I don't want that fish.
That might be over 280.
Ew.
Oh my gosh!
That's
Look at this!
disgusting.
Look at that!
Look at this side. That's like full teeth
Oh my
mark. Looks like a
gosh.
person bit that thing.
Jeez. Wonder what's up with that.
That's kind of disgusting.
I'll watch it. You're not all the way.
255. The other one was almost the exact same size.
Really? Look at that. That is crazy.
We've probably got like 11, 12 pounds. For all the
Yeah.
fish.
Hang on. Let me get a picture of that.
Well, yours was 280. This one's 2.5, 2.5.
Let me see it.
Probably a couple more twos. Get a picture of both sides.
Yeah, that's crazy. You want me to let him go?
At least with that, if we ever catch that again, we'll know.
Oh shoot!
You know what I mean?
Yeah. No way.
I don't think that's a fish.
Are you sure? Why? There might be a fish in there. Watch it.
Oh, it is.
Hey.
That was just like sitting there too. Not a bad one. I didn't even know it was a fish. Oh, that was so funny.
Well, at least you've caught kind of quality fish, not really any dinkers. You know what I mean?
He was barely hooked. Probably because I didn't set the hook in it. Did you get that one on video?
Yeah. Well, I turned it on right when you.
Now that guy stopped.
Did he?
No.
Hang on. Hang on. What's that strap? There that guy goes.
Well, you can't even. I don't know what I was doing. Was I just sitting on bottom?
I did, because you were talking to me.
I went like this, and then I just started lifting up. I was like, is this a fish or not?
And then you were like, it's just weeds. I'm like, dude, fight it like a fish, just in case.
She ain't ripping like she was.
No? Oh, man.
Probably me sitting on it.
Alrighty, guys, we're just getting off the water here.
Sheesh, boys.
It was a good day, actually. We caught, how many fish?
Monties, eh?
How many fish did we catch?
I caught 4. You probably caught like 7.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I mean, this is probably the best day we've had fishing for numbers, at least, this whole year.
Well,
So
that's probably 100%.
yeah, it definitely is, because every day that we've been out so far has kind of been crappy. I mean,
catch that many in the last 3 days.
yeah. But I'm gonna end the video here. We're getting out of here. Kind of, I don't know. It's just the sun's really high right now. It's kind of hot, beating us right in the eyes right about now. I don't know. It's just the bite just kind of turned off all of a sudden. It was like we caught like 4 fish I mean, like what, an hour ago, like right off the bat, and then now it's just like done. So we're getting out of here. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, you know, and stay tuned. I don't know. Well, I might be going fishing tomorrow.
I'm going fishing.
Yeah, Mitchell's definitely going fishing. So I guess just stay tuned for those videos. There's more to come, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.